Okay, hello children. Now next topic will be axial magnetic field on the axial and equatorial line. Same which we did in electrostatics. Similarly, we are going to do the derivation for bar magnet, which is a magnetic dipole. For that, we will find expression for magnetic field on the axial line and equatorial line. So let's do it. Okay, children. So magnetic field at a point on the axial line of a bar magnet. So here is the bar magnet with the south pole, north pole separated by a distance of 2L, and from the center here till this point, any point on the axis, this line is this is the distance D. Okay, D. Now we have to find magnetic field at this point. Okay, just like electrostatic, what we did. You remember in electrostatic, the formula which we did for here and right. Okay, in electric field, if you have a charged particle q at distance r, even if there is no charged particle, the electric field formula was k q by r square. Same way in magnetism, if you have a just because of one, in place of q we have m, magnetic pole strength, so it becomes mu naught. K is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught in electrostatics. In magnetism it is mu naught by 4 pi. In place of q you will be having m into r square if here is your magnetic pole. Okay, so now you come this expression, this kind of expression we are going to use here. Now because of south pole, you know, from north pole magnetic field goes out and towards south pole it enters. So south pole, due to south pole, magnetic field's direction will be towards south pole, and due to north pole, direction of magnetic field here will be outwards, this. Okay, now Bn and Bs. Why I have drawn this greater? Because north pole is closer, so its effect will be, north pole is closer, so its effect will be greater. So that's why this vector I have drawn greater. So so here magnetic field due to north pole will be mu naught by 4 pi. Okay, m by this distance square. That means L minus D. This is 2L. Half of it is L. So it is D minus L will be this from here to here. So D minus L square. Okay, similarly Bs will be mu naught by 4 pi m upon, now from here to here it is D and this much is L, so D plus L. D plus L square. Okay, this is away towards the right and this is towards left. Now the net magnetic field at point P will be Bn minus Bs. I am writing Bn minus Bs because see, vector sum when I am writing, so I will have to write plus, but magnitude when we see it is Bn minus Bs because Bn is greater, so I have written Bn minus Bs. Okay, so when we subtract, I will take all mu naught by 4 pi common. Magnetic pole strength also is same, so common 1 upon D minus L square minus 1 upon D plus L square. Okay, so your BP pole strength is equal to mu naught m by 4 pi, and then here LCM will be D square minus L square whole square, D square minus L square whole square, and here it will D plus L whole square minus D minus L whole square. Okay, so this is a square minus b square formula. So it will become mu naught m by 4 pi d square minus L square whole square. So d plus L minus d plus L, and then d plus L plus d minus L. Okay, so once I am adding this here and once I am subtracting this, which is here, so it is mu naught m by 4 pi. Okay, and then d square minus L square whole square. Now see what is cancelled here, this cancelled, and here this one is cancelled, so we are getting 2L into 2D, right? 2L into 2D. Now you see 2 into 2 is 4. I'll just write mu naught m by 4 pi, okay, into 2 into 2 LD. Where is that? Okay, yeah, upon d square minus L square whole square. Now this LD is area, right? This is area, or not area actually, LD. If you see 2L, if I take this 2L and combine with M, what do we get? I'll combine, and you see this 2 I'll leave, this 2l I'll combine with this m into 2l, this d is remain here, d square minus l square whole square. This is magnetic dipole moment, so mu naught by 4 pi, okay, 2 into capital M d upon d square minus l square whole square. This is the magnetic field at point P, okay, as M is okay, and the direction is along the axis here, away from the direction you see is from south towards north. South to north is the direction of the magnetic field. That means south to north is the direction of the magnetic field. Also south to north is the direction of the magnetic dipole moment. So this vector and this vector, they both are in same direction. So BP in vector notation, if to write, then it will be 4 pi 2 d vector m by d square minus l square whole square. They both are in same direction. The same expression, the similar expression we got in electrostatics. In electrostatics, electric field on axial line was 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, 2 x vector p by x square minus a square whole square. This kind of expression we got, okay. So similar expression we are getting here. Now what about equatorial? So here magnetic field on equatorial line of a bar magnet. So diagram, so if you see diagram, it's a bar magnet, south pole, north pole, and here is the axis, distance between the two poles is 2l, and this is the equatorial line, perpendicular bisector is the equatorial line at any point P. Suppose here is point P, then we have to find magnetic field at this point. Now you see towards south pole, magnetic field is always goes towards the south pole, and magnetic field is away from the north pole. So due to this north pole, direction of magnetic field is here. Due to south pole, direction of magnetic field is this side. So these two vectors, now because they both are having same pole strength, and this distance is equal, so due to symmetry the magnitude of these two will be same, but the direction is different. So what is the magnitude? Suppose this distance, now this distance is d, okay, from P to this point is the distance d, and so what will be magnitude of north pole, magnitude of magnetic field due to north pole will be mu naught by, so you see these are the two expressions which you are getting for a due to north pole and due to south pole. The net magnetic field, you see net magnetic field will be vector sum of these two. Now these two are in not same direction, they are in different directions, so I can resolve these two in rectangular components. So I'll resolve these two in rectangular components along axis and equatorial line. So one component is along equatorial line, its component along equatorial line will become Bn sin theta, okay, and along this axis it will be in cos theta. Same way for this, along equatorial line its component will be downward direction Bs sin theta, and along this direction it will be Bs cos theta. Now see these two are in same direction, they will be added, but these two are in opposite direction, they will be subtracted. But you see Bn and Bs magnitude wise they are equal, so and theta is also equal, so they both will Bn sin theta and Bs sin theta cancel each other, okay. If they cancel each other, so what we are left with, so magnetic field at P is only because sum of Bn cos theta plus Bs cos theta, okay. B and Bs magnitude wise they are same, so I can take 2Bn cos theta I can take, okay, Vp, and the direction is this side, okay, opposite to the what is the direction of the magnetic moment? South to north, right? And here magnetic field is opposite to it. So okay, so let's substitute the magnitude. So 2 mu naught by 4 pi m upon d square plus l square, the one which we got here, same I have substituted here, into cos theta. Okay, now you see this triangle, cos theta is base L divided by hypotenuse. Okay, so this will become 2 mu naught by 4 pi m by d square plus l square, cos theta becomes L upon d square plus l square under root. Okay, so on clubbing, this 2 I can take here, mu naught m 2l I have combined, this is 4 pi m 2l, okay, divided by d square m, and this 2 into L. If combine d square plus L square will become raised to power 3 by 2. Okay, this is magnetic dipole moment, this whole thing. So I can replace it mu naught by 4 pi capital M by d square plus L square raised to power 3 by 2. Okay, this is magnetic BP, magnetic field along equatorial line. So this was magnitude. If I have to write vector, then how will I write? Because I have told you this this is the direction of magnetic field and this is the direction of the magnetic moment. They are in opposite direction. So if you have to write in a vector notation, you will put vector but then one minus sign. This minus sign shows that magnetic moment and magnetic field on equatorial line are opposite to each other. So here you see this, if suppose the field is if suppose this is a ideal dipole moment, so this distance will be very small and point P is very far. If P is very far, okay, then it will be a dipole, ideal dipole. So your D will be much greater than L. So if D is much greater than L, we can neglect L. So in that case, magnetic field on equatorial line will become mu naught by 4 pi M upon D cube, right? D cube. So you see magnetic field is inversely proportional to cube of the distance along the and vector notation है तो minus के साथ. And axial case में same thing. If D is much greater than L, then in this case BP or axial is equal to mu naught by 4 pi D. I am not L we can neglect. So 2 M. This will become d raised to power 4. 1 d will cancel, so you will get d here. Okay, d cube. So you see this expression and this expression, if we combine, we are getting double. So your magnitude wise B axial is equal to double of B equatorial. Okay, magnitude wise, we are not talking about direction. They both are, axial line is double of the equatorial. Same kind of expression we got in case of electrostatic electrostatic field in case of electric dipole.